Hello, YouTube. I'm Eli the Fatigued, joined by the awesome people over here on Twitch. Thanks for joining us. We're playing some Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead, and we were talking about the crazy weather in Texas right now. Goodness gracious. By the time this episode comes out, well, that'll have been months ago, probably. I mean, hopefully. By the time this episode comes out, I hope that the cold weather's gone away. Because this episode's really far into our series so far. I've been streaming this game really heavily the past several days, past week. Excuse me. Ooh, had a hiccup and a yawn at the same time. That was weird. Mineral water. It's the quenchiest. In progress, clean water. Frozen. Dude, jerk! Leave my window alone! Oh my gosh. That's just annoying. Uh... Where's the clean? That sucks. I don't have enough glass shards to replace that pane now. That's just a pain. But we at least have the rock forge and the crucible for it now. Glass jars, test tubes, flasks, or glass shards. Maybe I should have been picking up glass shards all this time. That's just annoying. Oops. There we go. Okay. We can finally make the Survivor Fighting Gauntlet. After, I don't know, has it been 3 episodes now? Oh. Let's go test it out, shall we? Twice. 30 and 40. Brutal. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Okay, fine. I won't kill the cat. Let's go smack some fish. Probably be helpful if I took off the backpack. Come on. Give it to me, game. Let me punch the fish. What torso encumbrance? Literally, what torso encumbrance? Maybe the N4? Did I say N4? M4. Right? Beat the crap out of the fish. But they don't want to be beat. No matter how bad I want to beat them. There we go. 66. I thought it said 86. Either way, still pretty good. And hey, dinner. Yeah, because there's no zombies around. I don't want to go too far away from the base right now. Anyway, let's go cook up dinner. Alright. Well, that's not much food at all. Guess it was a small fish. Batter fried fish. That sounds good. One of 684 butter nearby. Oh my gosh. I haven't even realized how much butter I've been picking up. Hey, another reason for cornmeal. Do that since we're gonna have so much cornmeal. I need to eat that lunch meat. Drop a scrap of meat, honestly. It's not even worth keeping 3 scraps of meat. Back down to overweight. That's good. As far as I'm aware, from what I've been taught by YouTube videos and everything else, staying between, normal and overweight is okay. Anything higher or lower is not. Okay. So, cornmeal. How do make? Corn? I forget. Is it corn? Corn? I forget how to pronounce that. And it's partly because I'm tired. I want the mortar and pestle. Takes 1 hour and 7, and the corn takes 45 minutes. So, learned. Sand. Hey, I've got sand up here. Got sand out the wazoo. Well, out the wazoo, maybe not. But got a lot. I just need one. I just need one. It would be nice if these were like privacy fences instead of half fences or whatever. I need 2 large rocks, wood chiseling, and rock drilling. What? I didn't even look at that part. I need another large rock. Guess I'm going digging? Oh no, we got a bunch of large rocks here. Perfect. It's almost as if digging those holes were on purpose. Wait, what happened to my sand? Oh, did I use it for another recipe? That might have been what happened. Alright, I'll just take a bunch of the sand, it's fine. Finally make it? Nice. 3 hours. Alright. That weary malice. Seven hours and 10 minutes to make 150 cornmeal. And that's only half of the corn we have as well. Well, I'll start it. Then we'll go down to Paradise City where the grass is green. And the land is pretty. We'll go down to the oat farm. And then on our way back, we'll check out this farm. I haven't checked out this farm yet. That was... wow. That was just me holding... me holding the wrong key too long. Good thing I've got a welding rig on here and a bunch of storage batteries. A bunch, I say. Meaning 3. Hi, zombies. Actually, I do want to test out my weapon on you guys. I have a new weapon, zombies. Oh. Oh. First, let me use my old weapon. Shoot your face. Several times. That could have been very, very bad. The fact that there was a spitter zombie, that could have been very bad. Alright. Testing out weapon. 34 damage. $29, and then it just says critical. 33. Critical. Critical. 36. What does it feel without that? 18. Okay, so it basically doubles my damage. Nice. It takes 1 to 3 punches instead of, 5 to 7. Yes, go through the acid, please. I don't think it damages you, but just in case. Oh, it does. Oh, it does. Oh, that's glorious. Stupid zombie. He thought he could fight my brains. Instead, I used my brains to kill him without even fighting him. Oh, close shave with that boulder. A nice boulder. I just had to get a closer look, A nice boulder. I like that boulder. Something I didn't realize when I went and jackhammered down the other one is... Oh, you have to pick the lock. Okay, fair enough. So, yeah, still jackhammering it then. Can't drill there, really. Kill those zombies, duggos. Wait. Celery. Oats. Wait. Oh, do these just have corn now? It's not specific to each farm? Well, that's not as cool as I thought it was going to be. Bad day. Either way, you know, ton more corn for cornmeal. How much corn is that? 134. Still, overall, really worth it. %, totally worth it. Would do again. So, yeah, that's taken care of. Let's still go to that other farm that's near our farm. Either A, we'll get more corn, or B, we'll get other stuff. Either way, we win. Oh yeah, still free food, exactly, Gymstick. Oh, I way overshot it. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Oh, I destroyed my floodlight. Wing Chun hype. Johnny Speed, thanks for the host with 1 viewer. Alright. I'm totally gonna say that Johnny Speed hosting me is what distracted me into running into that tree. 100%. 100%. That's what happened. Thanks for the host, man. Oh, whoops. Oh, hi, zombie. Alright, what do we got? Okay, I do need this on, actually. Oh, this is a horse farm. There's no silo here. I don't even think there's anything in the tool shed that I want. Yoke and harness. Yeah. And this Survivor fighting glove with Wing Chun is really good. Salt lick. 10 rock salt, eh? Hickory root, salt water. Saline solution, salt water. Rock salt and water gets 100. So 1 rock salt makes 100 salt, and each of these salt licks is 10 rock salt? I guess they're 10 liters and 40 pounds. Okay, that's fair. That is completely fair. Holy crap. That's cool. I like that. Those are my new favorite thing. I guess that was actually kind of worth coming up here just to find that out. So, okay, hold on. How many salt licks do I have? So I have 10 salt licks, which is 100 rock salt. And if each rock salt is 100 salt, 100 times 100 is 1,000? No. 10 times 100 is 1,000. 10,000 salts? Someone tell me if I'm doing that math wrong in my head, which I might be. Like, don't get me wrong. I'm good with math, but I'm not always right. You know what we're doing as soon as we get back? You know, we're dismantling all that salt. And if that's the case, if you get like half a dozen to a dozen of those at a horse farm, you never have to base near a swamp again just to get salt. I don't remember if I read out what Johnny Speed said. Wing Chun hype. Glad I'm not the only one hyped about Wing Chun. It is glorious. Alright, we got a lot of stuff out of that trip. Honestly, I think one of my favorite things about this game is making food that I will never eat. I don't know why, but I enjoy doing that. What was I crafting? Right, the cornmeal. So, real quick, let's move all this corn up to over here. and then dismantle all the... Can't see the craft. And then dismantle all this salt lick. Okay, so far my math is holding up. 100 rock salt. Then... Oops. Put a space. Holy crap. That's 10,000... 10,000 salt. I mean, it's, 34 hours of work, but that's 10,000 salt. 34 plus, hauling it back and disassembling it all, but that's 10,000 salt. That's more salt than I'll probably ever use in the series. If I do, well, oh. That's really cool. Another thing that's really cool, MX Bazooka is actually practicing Wing Chun. In real life, that's awesome, dude. You're trying to memorize the dummy form. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know a whole lot about martial arts in general in real life. I think I mentioned this in a previous episode, previous stream. People may not have been watching at that point. I don't think anyone was watching at that point. But the main reason I like Wing Chun is because of Ip Man. I don't know if any of you have ever seen those movies, but I think there's like 4 or 5, and I've seen, I think all 4 of them, if there's 4. And I really love those movies. If you guys haven't seen Ip Man, go watch Ip Man. Ip Man is cool. Like he's a cool character. The martial arts scenes are really cool. Like again, I don't know much about martial arts, so I don't know if they're actually doing it right or well. But it's based on a true story about someone who was in China. Yeah, Ip Man is a freaking legend. Exactly, MX Bazooka. I love Ip Man. Good movies, good stories based on true events. Good movies. You guys should watch them if you haven't. They're really good. So that's why I like Wing Chun. That's kind of the why I made this series, is because I love it, man. I love Wing Chun. It's cool, and it's cool in the movies. It's cool in this game. Wing Chun is fun. This is the Wing Chun fun run. I'm sorry. Every time I say that, it's so good. It's so good. Maybe that's what I should name the series, the Wing Chun Fun Run. Because we have fun with Wing Chun. I'm sorry. I'm. It's late. I'm a little loopy. Hmm. So you guys watching on Twitch, if you haven't seen like the beginning of the series, you should totally check it out on YouTube. This is totally not a plug to try and get more people to watch my content on YouTube. Totally not. Speaking of YouTube, this has been a 35-minute episode. I need to end this episode. YouTube, thank you for joining me. I have been Eli the Fatigue, joined by the awesome people over on Twitch. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you have enjoyed any dimension of this episode, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.